Hello English learners, today we are going to learn a few adjectives to improve your vocabulary range. All the adjectives end with IBLE, but we're going to focus on more advanced ones than possible. Let's get started. Our first adjective is edible, which means safe or fit to be eaten. Let's take a look at an example sentence. Are these mushrooms edible, or are they poisonous? Eligible. To be qualified to participate in a certain activity, or to be chosen. Students under 20 are eligible for a discount. Fallible. Capable of making a mistake. We place our trust in doctors, but they are fallible like everyone else. Feasible. Possible to do easy or conveniently. It's a feasible plan, if everyone cooperates. Gullible. Easily tricked to believe in something, credulous. She was so gullible that she never questioned her sister's stories about aliens. Inaudible. Unable to be heard. This sound is inaudible to human ear. Incomprehensible. Impossible to be understood. His writing ability was so poor that his essays were totally incomprehensible. Invincible. Too powerful to be defeated, unbeatable. Argentina was invincible in the latest World Cup. Irresistible. Too attractive or tempting to be resisted. She found the delicious-looking cake irresistible. Irreversible. Not possible to change, impossible to return to the previous condition. Smoking caused irreversible damage to his lungs. Negligible. Too slight or small to be important. His recent pay rise was negligible and didn't improve his financial situation at all. Plausible. Believable, seeming likely to be true. His excuse seemed plausible, so I believed him. Tangible. Real and not imaginary, able to be shown, touched or experienced. We need some tangible evidence if we're going to take a legal action. Susceptible. Easily influenced or harmed by something. Elderly people are more susceptible to diseases. Now, let's check how much you've learnt and how much you remember. I'll give you 5 sentences with the gaps. Read the sentence and think which word should be used in each gap. I'll show you the correct answer after 5 seconds. What's the correct word? Yes, that's gullible. Take a look at the second sentence. What's the correct word? Good. That's inedible. Take a look at the third sentence. What's the correct word? Susceptible is the right answer. Now, sentence number 4. What's the correct word? Yes, that's plausible. And the final sentence. What's the correct word? Inaudible is the correct answer. Good job, everyone. I hope you've learned a few more adjectives today. Write your own sentences with the new words to remember them better. And don't forget to check my other videos to learn more. See you next time.